Use the Gaiam yoga strap to increase your reach and deepen stretches. Gaiam's yoga straps are available in 6 and 8 foot lengths, with a non-slip D-ring buckle for security. A yoga strap helps you achieve more challenging positions and helps you sustain stretches for longer periods of time. Using a strap can really help as you increase your flexibility. And you can use it to help with poses like seated forward fold or dancer's pose. Stretch the possibilities with a Gaiam yoga strap.
Hi, my name is Moran, and I want to share with you a quick and simple little trick that I use with my clever yoga strap to reduce back pain and improve my posture after a long day of sitting at the desk in front of the computer. So I'm going to take this yoga strap and just place it around the back of my neck. Pulling these straps under my armpits, I'm going to crisscross them behind my back and then bring them back around to the front again. You can see that when I pull them, it straightens my back up and it pulls my shoulders back. You can even connect these here in the front using this little loop, just like a belt. I kind of adjust the strap a little bit to help me maintain this posture. When I come home from work, just walking around my house, it really helps ease that pain and keep my shoulders back. I also like using it for stretches, doing nice forward bends or triangle poses. It helps me make sure my back is in line and I stay nice and open here in my chest and front shoulders. So I hope you enjoyed that trick with your clever yoga strap.